Maxfoot 1000watt 22MPH Ebike adult folding electric bicycle fat tire Ebikes with Shimano 7-speed gear. 1000W brushless geared hub motor. The 1000watt motor provides strong power. Maximum speed can be 22 mph. Riders weight under 300 pounds on flat road and full power. 48V 14AH high capacity hidden battery, which is supposed to allow the cyclist to go for 50 to 60 miles using pedal assist level 1 before recharging. Advanced 6-bar linkage suspension. 6-bar linkage rear suspension is an advanced technology of Maxfoot Ebike. With this unique technology, riders can achieve high-speed driving without sacrificing riding comfort, conquer all terrains, and enjoy cycling longer distances without getting exhausted. Power assist system. An electric bike helps by giving you an extra boost as you cycle. Although you are being pedal assisted, you will still be pedaling the whole time. Therefore you will do exercise and burn calories as on a regular bike. Easily folding. Simply collapse its stem, bend its frame, and fold its pedals to stow your folding bike in any compact space. Pedals can be folded, which helps the cyclist save more space if they are trying to put this in the back of an SUV. Customer service. All the electric bike will ship from California, US. We provide comprehensive after-sales services. If you encounter any problems in assembly or any other questions, you can contact our after-sales department by phone or email. Please feel free to contact us in case of difficulties. Our US warehouse working time: Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.